Hey guys, today I will be doing some well, I will be doing some Undertale ships. I will rate some Undertale ships. So yeah, deal with it. Sans X Papyrus. And if you don't know what Sans X Papyrus is, if you don't know what Undertale is, please play it. It's so good. I'm just gonna write 30%. It's really not that good because Sans and Papyrus, dude, like, bro, Sans and Papyrus are brothers. And like, imagine this. Do you want to be with your brother, bro? You know, X Reaper. And I will do no face because I am too lazy. Ha ha. And it's 80% because it's really good. Fresh X paperjam. Don't judge. It's bad. The font says, dude, I'm in love. Frisk X Chara. 75% because I don't really ship Chara and thing. Ah! Pallete X goth. 98%. It's really good though. But people literally put some cray X goth. I will kill them. Tell Sans X Nerd Sans. Nerd Sans is into Sans. The Illuminati. That's X Blueberry. I'm in love. Blueberry is just the best. It's over 9,000! Who's that? So yeah, that is for today. Huh? Yeah! Well, that is it. To be continued.